Well, we're on the final spin here. 1 minute to go, but I think that will jump its minutes. I'll just leave it on. I'll show you what it does in a minute. Sorry if it's flashing in, but it's the camera that it's doing that. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel. I'll show you this wash of what it does. Saying 1 minute at the moment, but it will up its time by 10. Sometimes does that. There we go, 4 minutes today. Do you see it jump its time? It's not. It was a bit dodgy then. It's a bit steamy now. Try and get a shot like this now. A few suds, but not much. Still saying 4 minutes. Done well at spinning at overload today. I put it on a 1200 spin today, as you can see. Not that seeable. It's good flashing as well. Cameras struggle at capturing LED. Still saying 4 minutes. That's not going down yet, is it? Still saying 4 minutes there. Jumping into time now, 3 minutes. Subscribe to the channel and like this video if you appreciate it. I would much appreciate that. You can also watch all my other contents as well if you're interested in that. Got lots of videos on this channel now. that colour catcher's stuck. Okay, stop spinning, so that's gone down to 2 minutes. Is it all going to stick to the drum? Yeah. It's all stuck. I'll show you on the 2-minute display panel now. Film that. I don't really film this, do I, on this channel? Hey, it stopped flashing then. Oh. It's because it's struggling to get focused. 1 minute. 40 degree and 1200 of, all that light's gone off now. It's just that one block and 1 minute. I can open the bloody door. Don't you get annoyed when you just want to open it? Come on. There we go. And I can open the bloody door now. Thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to the channel because you're going to see a lot more content on this channel over the next few weeks, and some weird and wonderful wash samples, and not just them, the ones that I've been creating as well on the app. And also this tumbler, remember this? This is going, but unfortunately the other one downstairs is a bit faulty, so I'm gonna have to sort that one out, so no dryer for the time being. So hi, this is the last one of the Smart Tech one now. Last look around. We'll be using you again, will I? So that's our wash day complete.